Time flies. Mastering the essence of time in English idioms. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on idiomatic expressions in academic and professional contexts. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating topic within our Idioms for Time Management and Productivity section, time flies. We'll be diving into this widely used idiom, its meaning, and examples of how you can apply it in your daily professional communications. So, get ready to expand your vocabulary and understanding of English idioms. The phrase, time flies, is an idiom that implies time passes very quickly. The origin of this phrase comes from the Latin term, tempus fugit, which has the same meaning. The idiom is used to denote how quickly time can pass when you're engrossed in work or any other activity. For instance, you might say, time flies when you're having fun, to indicate that when you're enjoying an activity, you don't notice how quickly time passes. In the professional context, this phrase is often used when deadlines approach faster than expected, or a meeting or workday seems to have flown by. Let's look at some examples of how you can use time flies in various professional contexts. 1. During a meeting. Wow, time really flies. We've already spent an hour discussing this topic. Let's try to wrap up in the next 10 minutes. 2. Expressing surprise at the passage of time. It's already 5 p.m.? Time flies when you're deep in work. 3. Reflecting on the length of service. Can you believe we've been working together for a year? Time certainly flies. Remember, the essence of using idioms is to sound natural and fluent, so practice using time flies in relevant situations. There are also variations of this idiom that you might come across or want to use. They carry a similar meaning but can add some variety to your language. 1. Time flies when you're having fun. This phrase is often used to express the feeling of time passing quickly when you're enjoying what you're doing. 2. How time flies. This is usually said as an exclamation when one is surprised at how quickly time has passed. By using these variants, you can diversify your language and maintain the same level of understanding. And that wraps up our discussion for today. We hope this video helps you understand the idiom, time flies, and its various professional applications. It's a great phrase to have in your English repertoire, and we encourage you to practice using it. Remember, time might fly, but every moment is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.